Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for your needs. Today, we're diving into an exciting category just in time for Halloween: outdoor decorations. And trust me, if you're looking to turn heads this spooky season, you won't want to miss out on this one. Meet the best bad decorations for Halloween outdoor, your ultimate companion in transforming your yard into a haunted wonderland. These aren't your average decorations, they're designed to make a statement. What sets these apart? Well, for starters, these glowing stickers are a game changer. Forget about needing sunlight. A quick charge under any light source and they're ready to glow in the dark, saving you both time and hassle. Made with high-quality materials, these decorations are built to withstand the elements, ensuring they'll keep shining throughout the entire Halloween season, rain or shine. Setting them up is a breeze too. Simply peel and stick onto any clean surface. No tools required, just pure simplicity. Now, why do we consider these the best? It's not just the impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 2,305 satisfied customers, but the sheer versatility they offer. Whether you're decorating a porch, lining a pathway, or even adding a spooky touch to your windows, these bats adapt effortlessly to any outdoor space. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the best bad decorations for Halloween outdoor today. Don't wait. Make this Halloween the most memorable yet with Product Critique's top pick. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy decorating!